The Supreme Court has indefinitely adjourned two separate applications by both the NDC and NPP related to the 2024 parliamentary election. This is because of failure of both parties and their candidates to serve one another. There's more in the following report by ChannelOne News' Hansen Ajaman.
The NDC, through its application, seeks to overturn a High Court ruling allowing the Electoral Commission to complete collation in 4 constituencies: Tema Central, Okaike Central, Ablikuma North, and Techiman South, despite the EC completing the collation in 3 constituencies, except Ablikuma North, and declaring NPP candidates winners. The NDC is asking the Supreme Court to quash the High Court's decision under its supervisory jurisdiction. However, when the case was called on Thursday, it was revealed that the NPP candidates had not been served. Consequently, the Supreme Court adjourned the matter indefinitely. In a separate case, Ernest Kumi, the NPP Member of Parliament for Akwatia, is challenging an injunction issued by the Koforidua High Court. The NDC parliamentary candidate for the constituency, Henry Boachi Yadom, obtained an interim injunction barring Ernest Kumi from being sworn in as MP, citing a petition that questions the validity of his election. Despite warnings from the Clerk of Parliament about the legal implications, Ernest Kumi chose to be sworn in and continues to act as an MP. He is now at the Supreme Court seeking to quash the injunction and prohibit the judge presiding over the case. When this case was also called on Thursday, it was adjourned indefinitely as the NDC candidate had not been served. Gary Nimakuma, lawyer for Ernest Kumi, addressed the media following the proceedings, explaining the basis of their legal action.
At the time they issued the petition, the Electoral Commission had not gazetted the results. You remember that gazette of the results was done on the 6th of January 2025, which simply means that at the time when the court issued the injunction order ex parte on the 2nd of January, and the petition was filed on 31st of December 2024, the Court of Washington had not accrued. But the court decided not to, hear the prayer of Mr. Kumi, and then proceeded to say that, well, there is a publication by Dr. Bosuma Asare in the media. So we relied on the publication to say that there is Gazette. But as a matter of fact, we now all know that Gazette was done on the 6th of January 2025. But we are simply saying that what the court did was wrongful. So they suppose we should question what the court has done and then prohibit the judge from hearing any case involving Ernest Kumi. That is why we are before the Supreme Court.
From proceedings at the Supreme Court, the NDC as well as the NPP will have to take processes to serve each other, both in the Mandemus case involving 4 constituencies: Techiman South, Ablikuma North, Okaike Central, and Tema Central, as well as the Akwatia case, before the Supreme Court will be seized properly with the matter to deal with them. Reporting for ChannelOne News, Hansen Ajaman.